Hello everybody, my name is Dimchutsanov and this is the second part of my video how to create form-based authenticated site with WebMatrix 2. In the first video we created the site, now we are going to publish it in internet. So there are three things that we should know when we are going to publish our site. First, the Windows hosting provider that we are going to use should support .NET Framework 4. The second thing is that we should include all of the assemblies that our website require in the bin folder. And third, we should know how to debug the problems that we will experience with our hosting provider. And the suggested and maybe the easiest way for this is to use a local AS site on our machine so we catch all of the problems. So now let's publish our site. But before going to publish our site, I can suggest you to use this technique. Let's open the site that we have in WebMatrix in Visual Studio. The two tools are fully integrated, so with one button we can easily open the site in Visual Studio. And what is interesting here is the option Add Deployable Dependencies. And this is functionality that came with Service Pack 1 of the Visual Studio. And actually what this dialog asks us is whether we want to be included in our site all of the DLLs that are required for the site to run. So I will check the two checkboxes, click OK, and what happened is that now in the bin folder there are a lot of assemblies, and actually this guarantees us that when we are going to publish the site in our hosting provider, we will need only the .NET Framework 4 to be supported from the provider, and actually this will help a lot. So Visual Studio can bring us out of the box all of the DLLs that we need. Another thing that I want to suggest you to do before going to publish your site in the hosting provider is to publish your site in the local IIS on your machine. What I have created here is a simple site, and now I'll publish the stuff that I have in my Visual Studio in the folder that this site is attached for it, and I'm going to browse the site. So this is a good technique to get errors like this. What happened now is that we have error and it tells us that we have some access denied. Let's go in the folder where the IIS site lives on our local machine, and we experience this error because we have problems with our database. I have spent a lot of time for debugging this issue, so I'll tell you where is the problem. The problem is that the IIS users need full access to this file. So actually this is our SQL, and when we check and edit the permission and refresh the page, now we see that everything works. So again, I can suggest you to use local IIS set for debugging issues and then to deploy your content to internet. And after making sure that everything is okay with our site using the Visual Studio, we can switch again to WebMatrix. We can refresh the content so we see that all of the DLLs and all changes are here. Actually we have in the web config, but when we are now ready to publish the site, we can use this button in the ribbon. In the settings we can see what WebMatrix offered to us as an option, and actually we can choose between web deployment and FTP. So I create a real site, sometimes win, sometimes loot.com, which is accessible in internet. So I'll type here my password, and you see that we have the options to validate our connections. So I'm not going to publish this site, but I think you get the point. We can use WebMatrix for creating site and easily publish this to internet. I'm Dimchutsanov and I create this site as a result from this demo. Thank you for watching me. I hope you have enjoyed yourself.